Capturing fireworks with a smartphone can be both exciting and challenging. The vibrant bursts of color lighting up the night sky make for stunning photos. But getting that perfect shot requires a bit of preparation and know-how. Here's how you can make the most of your smartphone camera to shoot incredible fireworks photos. First, preparation is key. Before heading out, make sure your phone's battery is fully charged. Fireworks shows often last a while, and you don't want to miss the grand finale because your phone ran out of power. If possible, bring along a portable charger, just in case. Clean your camera lens with a soft cloth to ensure your photos come out sharp and clear, free of smudges or dust. Once you arrive at your location, scout out the area. Find a spot with an unobstructed view of the sky where the fireworks will be launched. Avoid areas with too much artificial lighting, as streetlights and bright signs can interfere with your shots. If you can, arrive early to grab the best vantage point. Consider incorporating interesting foreground elements, like people, silhouettes, or reflections in water, to add depth to your photos. When it comes to settings, switch your phone to manual or pro mode if it offers one. This gives you more control over exposure, focus, and other important factors. Lower the ISO setting to reduce graininess in your images. An ISO between 100 and 200 usually works well for fireworks. Set the focus to infinity so the camera captures the distant bursts sharply. For shutter speed, try a slower setting, such as 1 to 4 seconds, to capture the full trails of light as the fireworks explode. If your phone doesn't let you adjust these settings directly, look for a third-party camera app that does. Stability is crucial for long exposure shots. Even the slightest movement can blur your photo. Use a tripod or prop your phone on a stable surface. If you don't have a tripod, get creative. Rest your phone against a backpack, a wall, or any sturdy object nearby. Use the timer function or a remote shutter to avoid shaking the phone when you press the button. As the show begins, anticipate the action. Watch for the initial launch of the firework and press the shutter just before it explodes. This helps ensure you capture the full burst and all the sparkling trails. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different exposure times, angles, and compositions. Some of the most striking shots come from experimenting and embracing the unexpected. Keep in mind that sometimes less is more. Instead of zooming in, use your feet to get closer to the action if it's safe. Digital zoom can degrade the quality of your photos, making them grainy and less detailed. If you want to crop your images later, it's best to do so in post-processing, where you'll have more control. Don't forget about video. Many smartphones have slow motion or time-lapse features that can add a creative twist to your firework footage. Try recording a slow-motion video as fireworks explode for a dramatic effect, or use time-lapse to condense the whole show into a few seconds of dazzling light. After the show, review your shots and do some basic editing. Crop out distractions, adjust brightness and contrast, and tweak colors to make those reds, blues, and greens pop. There are plenty of apps available that make editing quick and easy, even on your phone. With a bit of preparation, patience, and creativity, your smartphone can capture the magic of fireworks in all their glory. So the next time you're at a celebration, remember these tips, and you'll come away with photos and videos that let you relive the spectacle again and again.